Hi everyone, this video is going to show you how to create a submission for a Google Schoology assignment. So let's go ahead and click on the assignment. You'll notice that this assignment looks very different from the standard assignment. There is the assignment tab and then the My Document tab. Once you click on this, what you're going to see is a Google Documents specifically for you. And so your teacher has created a separate document specifically for you. You'll notice the Submit Assignment button is very clear up here, as well as the Edit button. But it loads directly into Schoology, and so you can actually see the Google document in Schoology. You can interact with it, read it, type into it, use the outline function, all of the above. And so there are some comprehension questions at the bottom here. Who's the protagonist of the story? Liliana. Sure. And then once you have typed all of your responses and you're happy with what you have, then obviously you can go ahead and click the Submit button. If you notice that there are some things that you just can't do, right? There are a lot of things that you can do directly in Schoology, but you can't share your document in Schoology. And so if you have a Google document assignment and your teacher is asking you to share it with someone, what you need to do is click this Edit button. The Edit button will open the document in a separate tab directly as a Google document, and you'll notice that the Share button is now available to you. And you can do all the different things that you typically would with a regular Google document. When you are ready to submit, go ahead and click the Submit Assignment. It's going to ask you if you're ready, and you can click Yes, Submit. You'll see the little window that pops up that shows you that it's been submitted successfully. You can click Done, and you'll notice that things look different now. Okay, so you have an Unsubmit button here where previously you had the Submit button. You'll notice that you are only allowed to suggest things. You're not allowed to edit directly anymore because you are no longer the owner. And so be very careful about submitting. Once you submit, you lose ownership of the document and cannot edit it any longer. If you are within the deadline and your teacher has not yet graded the assignment, you are able to unsubmit the assignment on your own, and then it'll go back to editing access. So that's essentially how you do the Google document assignments. Off you go.